Started really well, bowled really well. Thankfully kept the Hobart, under wraps early, so yeah, we're going well.
Yeah, and what do you think of the crowd? Great turnout?
Great turnout. So I didn't expect this. Hopefully we can get out there and get these runs down.
Yeah. It's been good. We've walked around with Sean Marsh, me and Nathan, so it's been good. So everyone's been heckling him a bit, and we've just kind of walked through because no one knows who we are, which is pretty good. So. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, hopefully, mate, we'll get to see you out there soon.
Yeah, definitely. Looking forward to hopefully getting out there.
Yeah, good job. 140 on this week. It was a good effort. So happy with their hustle. And overall, if you'd asked me, we'd keep them 140. We would have loved that.
Yeah. And what do you think they need to do now to win this game?
Oh well, we're in a bit of trouble early, unfortunately, and obviously we discussed wickets early here at the Wacker being important. So. A little bit of pressure now for us. We need a good partnership from to these experienced guys. So North and Huss in at the moment. We'd like them to steady for a while so we can launch an assault in the back five.
Yeah.